Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking down what you want and why it matters. Think brand fit and future uses. Once chosen, test 2-3 alternates so you don't stall at availability. Next, pick a TLD based on audience and cost. COM for broad reach. EO for startups, then create a registrar account and ready a payment method. This gets you straight into availability checks and avoids delays when you move to registration. You search for availability. If your exact name is taken, try hyphens, prefixes, or other TLDs. Once available, compare total cost, initial price, renewal, and privacy fees. Don't be fooled by low first-year promos. Make sure to add Whois privacy and enable auto-renew to prevent accidental loss. Fill accurate contact info because registrars verify ownership. Once you hit purchase, you'll receive confirmation. Save it and note the registrar dashboard location for DNS control. You finish by configuring DNS, add A and C name records or point name servers to your host, then verify MX for email. Once done, propagation can take minutes to 48 hours, so be patient and monitor with tools. If the site or mail doesn't resolve, make sure name servers match your host, Whois shows the right contact, and no hold or domain lock is enabled. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear DNS cache and recheck propagation before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.